Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Chorus AI to generate summaries and update CRM records. Full guide. To begin, ensure you have access to Chorus AI in your CRM platform. Log into your Chorus AI account using your credentials. Navigate to the Settings section in your Chorus AI dashboard. In the Settings, look for the Integrations tab. Select your CRM platform from the list of available integrations. Follow the prompted steps to connect Chorus AI with your CRM. You may need to provide API keys or login credentials for your CRM. Once the integration is established, locate the summary generation feature within Chorus AI. Choose the meetings or calls that you want to summarize. Select the option to automatically generate summaries for these interactions. Review the generated summaries for accuracy and completeness. Next, proceed to configure the CRM updating settings. In this section, select the fields in your CRM where you want the summaries to be saved. Set the rules for how and when summaries will be pushed to your CRM. You may opt for real-time updates or set specific intervals for batch updates. Test the integration by conducting a sample call or meeting. After the call, check Chorus AI to see if the summary is generated correctly. Then, verify that the summary has updated in your CRM platform. If everything functions as expected, you're ready to use Chorus AI for future interactions. Make adjustments to the settings as necessary based on your team's workflow. Regularly monitor the integration for any issues or required updates. This concludes the setup process for using Chorus AI to generate summaries and update your CRM records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.